Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a different type of video. It's a meal prep video. I'm going to be preparing my chopped kale salad and avocado dressing. So if you want to know how I do that, continue watching. So a full list of what you'll need will be in the description below, but this is just some of the things you'll need as well as some of the tools for the kitchen. So to start off, we're going to be prepping the quinoa. This is the only thing that you're going to cook and put on the stove. Please ignore the fact that my stove started going crazy once I turned it on. While the quinoa is on the stove, I'm going to start prepping the kale. So for this, you're just going to rinse it and pull the leaf away from the stem because the stem can be really tough and hard to chew. So I don't like to eat that part. If you like to eat that, that's up to you. So now we're going to move on to cutting it. Cutting the kale can be kind of a wrestle, so just take your time with it and chop it up as much as possible. Now it's time to throw them all into the containers. I have four, like I think it's 8-cup containers, and I just kind of eyeball it. There's not really a measurement here. So for the corn, I'm just going to be like straining and rinsing it. I don't use corn on the cob, I just use a can. It's easiest for me. As you can see, I like to eyeball a lot of things that I have, so I just used the rest of my almond slivers that were in my cabinet and evenly distributed the corn between the 4 bowls. Now it's time for the grapes. Grapes are probably my favorite part about this salad. It just brings in like this sweetness, and I don't know, I just like the grapes in here a lot, so I typically put in like quite a bit. So this is what the quinoa is starting to look like. It still had water at the bottom, so I had to put it back on the stove, but it's coming together. So for the avocado dressing, I use avocado, salt, pepper, garlic, like whole minced garlic, and olive oil. This is just me taking the avocado away from the skin, and then we'll add everything else. So as you already know, I'm eyeballing pretty much everything. Just use your discretion, and definitely taste as you go. Yay, the quinoa's done! So now I'm just going to add everything to the bowls, and we're finished! Yes! This is what it's going to look like at the end. It's so delicious and definitely my favorite salad. I make it all the time. So I eat this and a protein shake once a day, and that's it. I'm on a diet, y'all. Let's get this summer bod now. Thanks for watching.